Hey, I am Ranjit Kumar. Welcome to my channel. This is my first video. Have you faced YouTube mobile site redirection in your desktop? In this video, I am going to show you how to fix your YouTube mobile site redirection issue. A few days ago, I have been facing this problem with my PC. Every time I type www.youtube.com in the address bar and hit enter, after that YouTube redirect me their mobile site. I clear cookies, but it did not work. I asked myself why this is happening. I searched Google for a solution, but I could not find anything that is relevant to my issue. Then I am trying to figure out myself. At last, I find something interesting that I am going to share with you. This problem is very simple. Here is the solution. First, go to youtube.com and then upper right corner you may see three little dots. Click that. Click desktop. It will be redirect desktop website. Boom! Problem solved. Thanks for watching.